Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an electronic keyboard with Stool using Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's start with our stool with a 2x2 round plate. I want to flip this over. I want to place a set of studs in the corners. These are going to be our little legs. And there's really no other alternative, so we have to use the studs in the corners. And then we're going to flip this right side up. That's if I can get the last stud in there, which is usually a problem. Then I want to place a 1x2 plate here in the back that's going to be used to anchor down on minifigures, and a pair of 1x1/4 round flat tiles to complete the stool. Now we're going to slide this off to the side. I'm going to take one of these fences. I'm going to place a set of 1x2 number 1 rounded plates on the bottom. These are going to be the bottom portion of our stand. And another set of 1x2 rounded number 1 plates right on top of these tubes. Now we're going to slide this off to the side. Let's take a 2x6 plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 flat tile with a piano print right on the front right there. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 2/3 slope with design on it. We'll place that right in the upper middle, followed by a set of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes on both sides, and a set of 1x2 lattice slopes. And this will complete our keyboard. Then I'm going to attach the keyboard right on top of our stand, where it's right here. Press that down firm, and now we got ourselves a nice keyboard with stool.